Yep, there you go, guys. Dealing with a 2000 and I think like 13 Cadillac STS. She say she hearing a clunking noise every time she drive. So let's get to it. Hey, first thing first, jack and jack stand. Now, let's check for play. Already. See if I can bring y'all into this. Put the hood, first thing first. Look at that. First thing first, I turn, crack. Look at all that grit. Easily. I'm using no strength. It's probably what she was hearing right there. It's one. Shoot. Pretty tight. Okay, guys, I took off the driver wheel now. Make sure it's supported safely with jack stands. And let's get to looking. I need to look at. Let's see what we can find over here. I know control on looks good. What's what's that? Look, going up. Uh-oh. Ball joint. Rip. Okay. See, this ain't. See, that's how it's supposed to be. It's not doing that. What the? What in the world? Oh, I think we found our problem. It's missing this goddamn sway pop link. Oh. Yep. There you go, guys. Found us some problems. So that's just like little steps I take and little tips and tricks to find like diagnosing clunking noise. I'm gonna go farther into details deep in the series. Like and subscribe if y'all like this content, man. Show y'all Aaron's way how I do it. I'm gonna show y'all how to save some money, man, so y'all can get out them dealers and do it yourself.